Hello students, from the previous session we will discuss about the pair of linear equations in two variables with graphical method. But in graphical method, if we observe if the value of root 3, 2 root 7 and like that, if that values are not represented in the graph. So that's why we have some methods to find the linear equations in two variables. First one is substitution method. First one is substitution method. First one is substitution method, and the second one is elimination method. Second one is elimination method, and the third one is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So first one, substitution method. Substitution method means we will substitute the one variable to the another equation. Suppose if I take an example, first 2x minus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. So these are two linear equations. From the first equation, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. From the first equation, y equal to, from the first equation, minus y equal to 5 minus 2x. So that means y equal to, multiply with minus both sides, then we will get 2x minus 5. So now substitute the value of y in equation 2. Substitute the value of y in the equation 2. Then we will get 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 5 equal to 11. Then this equation becomes a single variable equation. Now we will find the value of x. That means 3x plus 4x plus into minus minus 10 equal to 11. So 7x minus 10 equal to 11. 7x equal to 11 plus 10. That means 7x equal to 21. That implies x equal to 21 by 7. So that equal to 3. Now we will know the value of x. So x equal to 3. Now substituting this x value in the equation 1. Now substituting x value in equation 1. Then we will get 2 into 3 minus y equal to 5. That means 6 minus y equal to 5. Minus y equal to 5 minus 6. Minus y equal to 5 minus 1. 5 minus 6. So y equal to minus y equal to minus 1. Minus minus and gets cancelled and y equal to 1. Then the points are x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. This method is known as substitution method. This method is known as substitution method. So next one, now second one is elimination method. I will take the same equations, 2x minus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Now in this method we will coefficients of x or coefficients or y are equal, and then we will subtract these two equations. In this, we have here, I will multiply this with 2. Now, this equation becomes 4x minus 2y equal to 5. And next equation, I will write as it is 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Here, the signs are different. So, then we will add these two equations. Then we will get 7x equal to, sorry, here 5 2s are 10. 7x equal to 21. That means x equal to 21 by 7. That means x equal to 3. After that, we will substitute the value of x in any of these equations. Now, I will substitute the value of x in second equation. Then, we will get 3 into 3 plus 2y equal to 11. That means 6 plus 2y equal to 11. 2y equal to 11 minus 6. That means 2y equal to 11 minus 6. How much? 5. X equal to 3. That is correct. Now substitute x value in the second equation. That means 3 into 3 plus 2y equal to 11. That means 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2y equal to 11. So 2y equal to 11 minus 9. So 2y equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So in the substitution method also we will find the values of x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. And in elimination method also the values of x equal to 3 and the values of y equal to 1. In other way, now I will equal to these both x coefficients. From this, now for the first equation I will multiply with 3, and from the second equation I will multiply with 2. So exchanging both the coefficients and multiply thus. That means here 6x minus 3y equal to 15, and here also 6x plus 4y equal to 22. Then we will subtract minus and minus. These two are cancelled. Now here minus 7y equal to minus 7. That means minus gets cancelled, and y equal to 7 by 7. That equal to 1. And substitute the value of in these any two equations. So 2x minus 1 equal to 5. That means 2x equal to 5 plus 1. So that equal to 6. 2x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 2. That means 3. Here also the values of x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. These are same. If the values are correct or not, then we will verify that substitute these values in the any of these two equations. That means now we will substitute x and y values in the first equation. That means 2 into 3 minus 1. How much? 6 minus 1, 5. This is also correct. And in the second equation, 3 into 3 plus 2 into 1. That means 9 plus 2, 11. That is also correct. So we will verify that we will substitute the values of x and y in that equations. Then we verify the. Now next method is cross multiplication method. This is not given in your textbook, but this is also find the values of x and y in linear equations. I will take same equations. 2x minus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Now in this method, first we will write the coefficients. I will write this equation as 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, and this equation as 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. That means we will write it as ax1 plus by1 plus c1 equal to 0 and ax2 plus by2 plus c2 equal to 0. Now we will write the coefficients. First we will write the coefficient of y. That means minus 1. After that minus 5. And after that x coefficient. Again we will write the coefficient of y. And the second equation 2 minus 11 3, and again we will write this as x by. So now we will multiply minus 1 into minus 11. Minus 1 into minus 11 minus 2 into minus 5 equal to y by minus 5 into 3 minus minus 11 into 2 equal to c by 2 into 2 minus of minus 1 into 3. So we will equate the three coefficients, x coefficient and y coefficient and constant. Now we will equate x coefficient and constant. That means x by minus 1 into 1, 11. 11 minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. And that equal to y by minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus into minus plus 11 2s are 22. That equal to c by 2 2s are 4 minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3. Now here x by 21 equal to, here constant c I will take as 1, that means 1 by 7. So that implies x equal to 21 by 7, that equal to 3. Similarly for y is equal to, that means y by minus 15 plus 22, that is minus 15 plus 22 equal to 7. Y by 7 equal to 1 by 7. That implies y equal to 7 by 7, that is equal to 1. Here also the values of x and y are same. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. For three methods we have same values. If you took any method, you will find the values of x and y. Now we will tell the general forms of these methods. I will tell how to